In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a split screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. By the end, you'll know how to place two or more clips side by side or stacked and make the split look clean and intentional. First, bring your footage into the project panel. You can import in whatever way you prefer. The goal is simply to have your clips available and visible there. Once your clips are in the project panel, you're ready to build the split. Drag your clips onto the timeline, placing each one on its own video track. For example, drop the first clip on V1 and the second on V2. Stacking them on separate tracks gives you full independent control over each shot. Don't worry if one clip is covering the other at first. We'll resize and position them so they both appear in the frame. Click to select one clip on the timeline, then go to the Effect Controls panel. With the clip highlighted, look for the Motion section. Here you'll find Position and Scale. Start with Scale to resize the clip. Reduce it so there's space for the other clip to sit alongside it or above and below it. If you're going for a top and bottom layout, there isn't a single correct number since it depends on your footage and sequence size, so adjust until it looks balanced. Next, use Position to move the clip exactly where you want it. For a side-by-side look, push it left or right. For a stacked look, move it up or down. The numeric fields let you be precise, which helps if you want the seam centered. Keep an eye on the program monitor to make sure important details like faces or text remain comfortably in frame. Now select the other clip and repeat the same adjustments. Match the scale so both clips feel consistent, then use Position to place it in the open side of the frame. If one clip has black bars or a different aspect ratio, adjust the scale so the height or width feels consistent across both shots. Take a moment to play back and confirm timing and composition look good together. If the edge where the clips meet looks messy or you're seeing parts you don't want, add a crop effect for a cleaner split. In the Effects panel, search for crop and apply it to the clip that needs trimming. Then, in Effect Controls, gently adjust the left, right, top, or bottom values until the seam is straight and tidy. That's it. Import your clips, place them on separate tracks, fine-tune scale and position.